मैंने पक्का मैच जिता देना था अगर मेरे पास बॉल होती तो, समझे? तो
वाह, लाला अमरनाथ है ना तू। 1 मिनट, बहुत हिम्मत है ना तुझ में। चल इसके साथ क्रिकेट खेल के दिखा।
लगता है आज सेंचुरी बनानी ही पड़ेगी।
She's asking to face you.
Yeah, no problem. Cricket match, we have small thing. I will, first of all, we need to do the toss. That is the mandatory thing. You have a point?
Yeah.
I just have a match, no problem. Can I have a wicket? I do the toss and you say anything?
Heads.
Okay.
Can I have a look at the heads? Yeah, it's a heads, thanks.
10 रुपए ले गया हमारे भाई।
देखो तो।
I'll bowl.
बड़े बैट से खेलो।
Okay, no problem. इतना बड़ा बैट मैंने कभी पकड़ा नहीं आज तक। You come from that side because I want to see the band.
You know what?
बहुत तेज गेंद करता है, बच के रहना, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ जी?
थोड़ा तोड़ देगा, हेलमेट वेलमेट डाल ले कुछ।
हेलमेट डाला ही हुआ, भगवान ने डाला मेरे दिल का। Okay. Best of luck, Brett.
All right. You want to see the band?
Huh?
You mentioned that you wanted to see the band.
I want to see the band.
That's the last thing you'll ever see.
कर ले साहब, तेरा ही सफाया होने वाला अब।
पहले बंदा 10 रुपए ले गया मेरे।
रेडी?
Okay, do it.
आ गया डर सब, आ गया खेलो, आ गया खेलो।
आगे आजा। ये क्या तरीका है खेलने का?
So get him.
वो मारेगा।
किसने कहा था होशियारी करने को? चल खड़े हो जा।
क्यों? हवा निकल गई और पैड भी गलत दिशा में डाला हुआ है।
चलो।
ये
You all right?
चल चल उठ जा, चल खेल।
Your turn.
one player is injured.
You die now.
कहाँ बेटा, नाला सोपारा जा रहा है क्या? अंधेरी से डाल, अंधेरी में आ, अंधेरी आ। मैं तो थक गई, मैं थोड़ा फ्रेश होकर आती हूँ। तुम लोग बैठो, मैं अभी आई।
Hi, you don't know that I am the therapist of cricket team.
Really? What's your specialty?
Breathing वगैरह। That thing. I rather called Shane Warne also last night. You know Shane Warne?
A little bit.
Okay. Let me tell you the truth.
Tell me.
मेरा काम नहीं चल रहा। My hospital not working. Could you tell people that I have a hospital and the building is very good. Doctor has a good heart. And please give me my fees. It will be very nice for you.
The slogan of his hospital is, "We are with you till your death. Rest is in God's hand."
I thought it was like if you go in there, you got 50-50 chance of living.
Yeah, you got it right.
No, I'm scared.
No. 50% is Dharmshala, 50% is hospital. You know, 50% we give people on rent.
तो इनके कहने से आप डॉक्टर बन जाएंगे?
Yeah, foreigners को कहने पे लोग मान लेते हैं सच बात को। ऐसा है, but I have a degree, you just sign it, that's it, people will be fine.
But he wants you to give him degree and tell people.
I need a column.
Yeah. चलो,
Chalo, huh?
So he want you to give him degree.
I'll give you a degree.
Yeah, and tell people that he's a great doctor. You can do it on your own risk.
Yeah. Okay.
I have 15 degrees.
Yeah?
15 degrees.
In my elbow. 15 degrees.
That is a joke. My career is not a joke. Hey, Pandey! Hey, degree लेके आओ यार. मेरे ऊपर डाल फूल. मेरा हो रहा है, उसका नहीं हो रहा.
बस कर फोटो खींच ले चलो बहुत होगी फोटो चलो.
Get me the mic, please. I want to say something. My patients are idiots. They don't understand English. So, Bradley ji, I will teach you some Hindi, if you don't mind. You have to tell people that 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
इतनी हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती जिसको हिंदी आती है जी. इतनी मैं क्या करूं? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
नहीं नहीं, इनको बोलने दो. डॉक्टर गुलाटी की जय जयकार.
India जीतेगा.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
चुप कर जा मैं.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
You have to do this. प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरा है.
Doctor's got no idea. Sorry.
जीरा.
Jeera.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
एनी वैसे.
Okay.
प्लेट में जीरा है.
Plate में जीरा है.
डॉक्टर गुलाटी हीरे है.
Doctor, I like your lovely hair.
Thank you so much. And it is an emotional day for me. बिना कुछ आए गए इस मुकाम तक पहुंचना बहुत मुश्किल था. इसके लिए मैं अपने सब उन पेशेंट्स का थैंक यू करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरी सफलता की राह में अपनी कुर्बानियां दी. अच्छा, डॉक्टरी जो है ना वो भरोसे की चीज है. इट्स ए मैटर ऑफ फेथ इफ यू सी. एक पेशेंट था सिद्धू साहब, आपको तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा इस वक्त, बट स्पीच आई कैन गो ओनली. एक पेशेंट था, मेरे को पता चला उसको गैस है, तो मैंने उसको कह दिया कि तू प्रेग्नेंट. अब तब से लेकर अब तक डिलीवरी की वेट कर रहा है वो. मैटर ऑफ फेथ. एक पेशेंट के जूते की एडी घिस गई. मैंने कहा तेरी टांगों में प्रॉब्लम है. पिछले 2 महीने से वो स्ट्रेचेस लेके घूम रहा है हाथ में. मैटर ऑफ फेथ. एक बंदे का नाम रोहन है, मैंने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए दिया सोहन. अपने घर की नेम प्लेट चेंज करा दीजिए उसने. ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
Listen. ब्रेट दुनिया के सबसे तेज फास्ट बॉलर्स में से एक हैं. पाजी, आपने कभी ब्रेट को फेस किया है?
अरे मैंने बहुत देखा है, बहुत कमेंट्री किया है.
पर
ये
आपका आपस में मैच तो नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं, ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग, ये मुझे किंग कहता है ना, ये सुल्तान ऑफ स्विंग था. 2 ही बॉलर मैंने दुनिया में ऐसे देखे हैं जो 140 पे गेंद को लहराते थे, तैराते थे और केले की तरह घुमाते थे.
140 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड
मैल्कम
पे.
मार्शल और ब्रेट ली.
क्या बात है.
ब्रिलियंट, आउटस्टैंडिंग उस पेस के ऊपर.
ब्रेट, while batting, were you scared of any Bowler?
Everyone.
Everyone. Why?
Even spinners. No, well, you imagine, and I actually worked out that probably the last 3 years of my life as a cricketer, that when I open my eyes batting, it's easier. Because normally I was like... But when I watch the ball and I look at the ball, it's easier. But I played against Pakistan and Shoaib Akhtar. Yeah. And me and him get on very well, and my nickname's Binger. So I'm out batting, and I've taken my centre mark, and I'm up there, and I'm sweating, I'm nervous, and I'm like, and I hear Binger, Binger. I'm thinking, and there's Shoaib at about 75 metres back. He's looking at me, he's going, I'm gonna kill you. I'm like, okay, great. So I'm tapping, he's running in, the black hair is flying in the wind, he's steaming in, right? Gets to here. I watch the ball and it's gone, boom, it's hit me straight on the foot. I've appealed to the umpire. How's that? That's got to be out, surely. And you know what? Do you know what happened?
Yeah, what?
That silly Australian umpire said not out.
Not out.
Like, great.
You know, I will tell you a secret of Shoaib. Sometimes he don't throw the ball. Sometimes he's doing like this, and he put his ball inside his pajama and do like this. There is no ball. I mean, there is a ball, but there is no ball. I mean, ball is in his pants and there is no ball in front. ओए होए.
That's very
अच्छा, मुझे
good.
बड़ा शौक है इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट को इनवाइट करने का, बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. Tell me one thing, Brad. When players plays in field, they say so many things to each other with full respect. वैसे तो माँ बहन करते हैं एक दूसरे को गालियां देते हैं. I mean to say sledging. So instead of bowling, batting, fielding, is there any special coach for Australian player for sledging?
There could be.
Or it's their own creativity of players?
Sledging does happen, and I think it's important for the game that there is that, you know, the energy on the field. You don't obviously cross that line. You don't racially vilify someone. You don't swear too much. But sledging's good.
Sledging is good. Okay.
So,
Talia.
for example, when I was batting against India, the first word I ever heard them say to me was, they call me Karagosh. And
You know what is Khargosh?
well,
It's a very cute, it's a rabbit.
I know it's a rabbit. So I went back and my Indian friend in Sydney and I said, what's a Karagosh? And he goes,
Who said?
I asked my Indian friend.
Okay.
He goes, that's a bunny, it's a rabbit. They're saying you're hopeless at batting. I was like, right. So I said, teach me a word for when they say it next time, which I won't repeat on this program. But I said, when they called me a Karagosh, I turned around, I said something, and they just burst out laughing.
किसने कहा था वैसे? ये नहीं
No,
पता.
but say it, we'll cut it. Don't worry.
Say it.
No.
So actually, which team is more into sledging? Indian team, Pakistan team, England team, or your own team from Australia or South African or West Indies?
Probably Ireland.
Ireland?
Just something. That's one team that you just didn't mention, so I thought I'd just say Ireland. Australia are very good. India are becoming a lot better.
अच्छा मतलब हम लोग ज़्यादा करते हैं.
बेहतर हो रहे हैं.
Sledging में.
इंडिया वाले बेहतर हो रहे हैं.
So we are getting better in sledging.
Yeah, but you know what? India's playing such good cricket now. I mean, Virat Kohli. I mean, how good's Virat Kohli? When you have got somebody who bats as good as Virat Kohli, you don't need a sledge.
क्या बात है? अच्छा, tell me, Brad, one thing. Yeah, please. Tea.
Yeah.
Is it masala tea? Okay.
Thank you, Dost. Shukriya. Wow, that's hot.
Brett, you were a cricketer. You are an actor now. You have a bookshop or not?
Sort of a bookshop, coffee shop, but that's no longer.
You have a coffee shop.
Used
I
to.
heard that you have a dress shop also.
No dress shop.
No, it's a wrong information collected by my team.
It's the wrong
I
information.
apologize from the depth of my heart.
Maybe me and you and your grandmother.
Me and my grandmother.
Yeah.
साथ में
She's a
इकट्ठी-
cheater. You can't trust her. She even cheated her husband.
Really?
Yeah,
We were talking backstage.
she was the same.
She's a Sundar Ledaki.
No. You are, Brett, see, you are our guest. I don't want to cheat on you. Don't go with her looks.
Really?
If you will, झाड़ने को क्या कहते हैं?
I get the visual, I get it.
कि झाड़ने को क्या कहते हैं भाजी?
जानने को जानना कहते हैं और क्या कहते हैं
I think you should.
If you will shuffle her,
You shouldn't shuffle
the
her.
girls will come out in parts, and the boy will. I mean,
No shuffling.
she is my grandmother, but
Respect.
by nature, she's he. But he's playing she. But Brett, you know, I'm meeting you first time, but I'm impressed by your sense of humor.
Thank you.
Brett, you have played Holi in your movie, right? Mm-hmm. Have you heard about this festival before?
Of course. In the movie, though, because of my Indian Australian friend, he says we're going to a Holi festival. But I thought it was holy with a Y.
Wine.
Why?
Holi, why?
Holy, like holy.
Holy,
Holi
okay.
matlab-
That is another Holi.
I understand that now. but
Holi, this is Holi.
holy with an I.
हाँ
Yeah.
वो उसमें वाई
I.
लगता है इसमें आई लगता है
Yeah, Y and I, there's a lot of difference between Y and I because I will tell you why.
Why?
Why?
I?
Keep your eye.
Okay, right.
In India, when we play Holi,
Why?
yeah, I will tell you why. In India, when we play Holi, we play with our babis in villages. Babi mean to say sister-in-law
Right.
and some chichora kind of people. क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
राउडीज
Rowdy guys.
Rowdy, okay.
Yeah, they make a bahana क्या बोलते हैं? They make excuse to touch cheeks. Holi hai. And they enjoy himself. They are so bisharam, they are so shameless, they will not play Holi with their wives. But they will play with somebody else's wife. गरीब की जोरू सबकी भाभी. लगा दो रंग कर दो गाल गुलाबी. This is my own poetry.
Very good, very good.
अब मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा फिल्म अन इंडियन की लीड एक्ट्रेस द वेरी टैलेंटेड तनिष्ठा चटर्जी. तनिष्ठा आइए, आपका स्वागत है. तनिष्ठा, जब आप ये फिल्म साइन कर रही थी अन इंडियन और आपको पता चला कि ब्रेटली जो है आपके ऑपोजिट हैं और इनसे मिलने से ठीक पहले आपने सोचा था कि फिल्म प्रमोशन के लिए आपको कपिल शर्मा शो में आने का मौका मिलेगा?
मैंने बिल्कुल यही सोच के ये फिल्म साइन किया कि आपके शो में मैं आऊं और वो भी ब्रेट ली के साथ.
So Brett, you enjoyed working together?
Tanisha is fantastic. I mean, such a sweet, down-to-earth person, very talented, and she's at the top of her game. Brilliant.
थैंक यू.
So actually पाजी, हॉलीवुड की मूवीज में इतने गाने होते नहीं है, बट हॉलीवुड की मूवी में एक चीज होती है, जैसे हमारी फिल्म में गाना बजाना कंपलसरी होता है, वैसे इंग्लिश फिल्मों में चुंबन जो होता है, किस जो होता है, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होता है. सो बट इन दिस मूवी अन इंडियन देयर इज अ सीन वेयर ब्रेट इज अबाउट टू किस तनिष्ठा and we heard that you were nervous that time, Brett.
Of course.
Why were you nervous? You are a
Because-
good-looking man and she's a beautiful girl. Who is interrupting you?
You know what, though? Like, before we had the, let's say, the awkward, passionate scene, she was going, 20 minutes to the big scene, 15 minutes to go, and I'm like going, shut up.